Hello and welcome to another edition of the Micro Marketer. I'm your host, Praveen Shekhar, an outlier marketer and raconteur. Today, we have with us Soundarya Srinivasan. She's the co-founder of Manjusha Jewelry, a fitness coach at Quad, and she runs an NGO called Shishu Shakti. Soundarya, welcome to the Micro Marketer.
Thank you so much, Praveen. Thank you for having me over here. It's a great pleasure to be here.
Can we start off? Can you tell us something about Manjusha, how it came into being and what you do?
Sure. So Manjusha was started by my sister Aishwarya and me. And we thought that Chennai had a great market for doing small, jewelry related business because, the people are fashion conscious, but Chennai ends up being the last place where all the trendy things come to. So we thought, why not be, in par with all the cosmopolitan cities like a Delhi or a Bombay and bring everything here at the same time. So that's how we started Manjusha. And of course, my sister and me love to dress up. So that's another reason for us to kind of come together and do this. And it's funny because when we started this, there was no e-commerce, which was this popular. There was no Amazon, whatever, and all those big sites where you keep buying online. People were still new to it. So we actually started with a Picasaweb link, just a simple gallery of pictures, and then built on to a Facebook page and then the website, and then doing a lot of shows and things like that. And then our love for jewelry grew, and we really enjoyed the experience of doing this together. So that's how Manjusha came about.
Picasaweb, so you have been in business for a while now.
Yeah.
Are you wearing one of your products?
Yeah, absolutely. In fact, this call has given me an excuse to kind of dress up in this current period. Otherwise, I was sitting like in tracks and t-shirt. When you said it's about Manjusha, I'm like, yes, I can finally wear some jewelry that I love to wear. So thank you for that. It is from our collection, of course.
So Soundarya, tell us a little bit more about your marketing approach specific to Manjusha.
So Aishwarya and me, we are born and brought up in Chennai pretty much. And we believe that reaching small local audience makes a huge difference as opposed to trying to connect with everybody at the same time. I feel your messaging gets lost if you try to reach too many people. So most of what we do on, let's say, our Facebook page or our Instagram page or whatever little bit of press we get is all very targeted towards small local audiences. So people who relate to us, people who are from our same community, who can kind of get the vibe of what we do, we stick to them. And I feel that's been a really good way to approach it as opposed to trying to do very mass scale things, because we connect way better because of that.
I think that is the very essence of micro marketing, that you have a local connect, you have a smaller audience that you click with, that you design for them, and they love you. And it's the word of mouth that spreads through.
Absolutely, exactly. Because we both are from here. We have a huge, circle of family, friends, their friends, and so on and so forth. And we feel we connect great with them. We understand what they need. So when we cater to them or when we market, looking at them as our audience, it works way better.
Beautiful. Thanks a lot for sharing that, Soundarya. But I would love to know more about your NGO, Shishu Shakti. Could you tell us something about it and how all of us can help you in some way?
Thank you for bringing that up, Praveen. That was very kind of you. So Shishu Shakti works towards education of underprivileged children coming from slums in Chennai. So we have a huge slum resettlement area in Kannagi Nagar. In fact, it's now very popular because of all the artwork which is going around. But way before that, we have been there trying to set up slum centers there. We have about 2 to 3 centers in that area, where kids from the slum basically don't have a safe space to educate or study. So we create that atmosphere for them inside the slum in a small space where they come there, and we help them out with their everyday studies. We also sponsor a number of children for their education, school, college, till they find a job, until they are settled, until they're able to come out of the circumstances which are where, limiting them. Till then we try to handhold them and get there. So education is a major focus, especially in slums. And the other focus being, we do a lot of fun activities, extracurricular activities. In fact, during summer we do a lot of workshops. For now, obviously, we are trying to get them to socially isolate in slums, which is actually not possible. But yeah, whatever possible way, we are trying to get them to, stay safe at home. But we do a lot of extracurricular activities, street theater, art, music, giving them a lot of experiences. So if you think you want to share a skill, teach them a skill, that's one way. The other way, of course, is to contribute towards their education, helping them to secure a much better future for them. That would be a great way to go ahead.
Absolutely, Soundarya. From the company that I run, Kriya, we'll be happy to support you. I'm not telling the quantum here, but you will receive a check, and I will be encouraging all our listeners and viewers to do their might, contribute in kind or contribute with a skill that you can impart, or maybe just with your time that you can go and spend with Shishu Shakti. So thank you very much, Soundarya.
Thank you so much, Praveen. Thank you for having me here. It was great fun.